One of our most loved autos, the Mercedes-AMG E63 wagon is back available, profiting from all the new updates to the E-Class line. How about we begin with the well-done, the carefully assembled 4.0-liter biturbo V8 makes 603 HP and 627 lb-ft of torque, making the E63 the snappiest basic need-getter on the planet with a dash time of 3.4 seconds. That is quicker than a V8 Chevy Camaro, speedier than a Mustang and quicker than a Corvette. Truth be told, that time was saved for autos like the Porsche 911 Turbo only a couple of years prior. It accompanies Mercedes multi-clutch 9-speed programmed and 4MATIC all-wheel drive. That AWD framework includes completely factor torque circulation between the front and back axles utilizing an electromechanically controlled coupling that responds in light of conditions and information. Mercedes notes, entertainingly, that it is as yet conceivable to float this wagon utilizing an uncommon float mode on the E63 S. It's enacted when the auto is now in race mode and the especially is deactivated. Float mode stays connected with until the point that the driver deactivates it or the start is killed. The wagon gets another Mula chamber air suspension with consistently factor damping. It can be balanced with the drive modes yet additionally changes consequently in light of sudden load changes. Those drive modes likewise influence the motor reaction, transmission mapping, controlling, especially in all-wheel drive. For ceasing, the E63 wagon utilizes 6-cylinder calipers on 15 4-inch circles in front and single-cylinder drifting calipers on 14 2-inch plates toward the rear. Carbon earthenware production are discretionary. Inside, the wagon gets Mercedes double 12 3-inch show with great game and dynamic modes, carbon fiber measures and an AMG performance controlling wheel. Mercedes says that almost a fourth of E63 wagon purchasers are situated between New York and Boston, and another 22% of purchasers live in California. As it were, it's a grown-up toy, yet you most likely definitely realized that. The 2018 E63 wagon will set you back about $108,000 including gold, however that comes standard with Nürburgring boasting rights. It timed a 7-minute, 45:19 second around the celebrated Green Hell, which puts it simply behind the kick-ass Mercedes SLS AMG.